Should we sell our silver this week? Our answer is no. The uncertainty around whether Kevin Warsh would favor tight monetary policy or a more accommodative stance gave precious metals, and silver, a legitimate reason to correct after a historic rally. And this time, silver saw a historic pullback. But when we stick to our discipline and zoom out, just like we do every week, and look at the 10 core factors that determine silver's value, the picture becomes very clear. Strong demand from China and industrial use has pushed the supply-demand balance firmly in favor of demand, a clear positive for silver. At the same time, rapidly declining physical inventories at COMEX and Shanghai vaults signal a deepening physical squeeze, which is also bullish. On the Fed side, even if the balance sheet isn't expanding permanently, signals that liquidity can be reopened when the system comes under stress are supportive for silver. And with the Fed maintaining a cautious, not hawkish stance on rates, pressure from real yields remains limited, another positive. In the U.S., M2 money supply is back in an uptrend, showing increasing liquidity in the system, which provides a favorable backdrop for silver. Add to that the rapidly growing U.S. government debt, which makes prolonged tight monetary policy harder to sustain. Again, a positive for silver. On the negative side, strong outflows from silver ETFs, especially SLV, are putting short-term pressure on prices. Meanwhile, continued central bank gold buying indirectly supports silver, making this factor positive. In futures markets, speculators are still net long, showing the uptrend hasn't been abandoned. But rising short positions compared to last week balance this out, making it a neutral signal. Finally, escalating global geopolitical tensions are strengthening safe haven demand and keeping interest in precious metals alive, another positive for silver. Bottom line, 8 of the 10 factors are bullish for silver, 1 is neutral, and only 1 is bearish. So once again, we're not selling our silver this week. We'll keep reviewing these core fundamentals every single week. And if you found this video useful, make sure to stay subscribed to the channel.